This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Kevin McGilton. 1.5-story home with first floor bedroom, bath and laundry area. Open floor plan for kitchen, dining and part of the oversized living room. Upstairs are 2 bedrooms and a bath. Full basement, C/air detached garage, carport and various outbuildings. Included is a 2-bedroom 2-bath mobile. Lot is 1.377 acres. 2 tax bills. 1 for house and other for mobile and land. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin McGilton at 304-242-9601.